LG wants to use a transparent OLED display for invisible bedroom TVs. In the bedroom, Will, do you know why you would want an invisible TV in the bedroom? Go ahead.
So you can look out into the massive wilderness where you live. I mean, isn't that the case for everyone?
Everyone lives in the massive wilderness?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's impressive. I didn't know that.
Well, that's what I think in my imaginary world.
You've been on the spot today, Will.
Yeah.
You've been on the hot seat.
You know. It's,
How do you
one of
rate your
those
hot
days.
seat performance as far as this show's concerned?
Probably a 1. Yeah. It's just one of those days, I guess.
They want to have it at the end, at the foot of your bed, and it can be motorized and go up and down
Okay.
when it's not in use. I don't really know why it has to be transparent, but I suppose bedrooms tend to be places that, you're right, they have windows, they may have a view. They may be tight for space, in which case a large TV can look like a black hole or something sitting there when it's turned off. Transparent, at
Right.
least, is a little more, what's that?
I guess so.
I don't know.
Based on how it looks here.
It's a bit terrifying too. Like, what if it's turned off but not but still sitting there? You might bump into it too.
Yeah,
like
that's
a
what I'm
glass
saying.
coffee table that you
Yeah.
constantly bang into. I don't know. It looks to me like it still has some sort of a frame around it. But anyway, they're trying to envision. They have this technology and they want it to be in the world. Obviously, they want people to buy it. And so they're trying to envision these use case scenarios where you might put it other than just, oh, that's cool, that it can actually be better in certain circumstances. So the one that the first one they're propositioning is in the bedroom. The other one is the image here in the restaurant. Now, hear me out on this one. This is how they're pitching this idea. You're at the restaurant, you're having the sushi, and it's a touch screen, and you get to pick what you want on this big transparent display. However, you can still see through the display to see the chef that's working on the food.
That's cool. That's a cool use case.
You like that one better?
Yeah. Then my random everyone gets a Mountain View bedroom. That
You just upgraded everyone's home, and I'm just like, what is this guy doing right now?
in a very optimistic mindset.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a good use case.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm glad you're all right with that one in the
You know.
restaurant.